What's up everybody, it's Amy here from Amy's Art Alchemy. Welcome back to my channel, the place to go to for tips, tricks, tutorials, and all things art related. So I have another Thrifty find video to share with you today. I found these a while back, so it's been a while since I purchased them, but I was excited to share them with you. I found these actually at an estate sale, and if you've ever gone to estate sales, you know a lot of times after when it gets close to the last, actually it's usually the last day, they will either mark the rest of the items down for 50% off or 75% off. Sometimes I wait and I make it till the last day. Sometimes it's not by choice and I end up going the last day. But I'm so glad I still went to this place because I found some amazing things. If you have seen some of my other videos, you know how much I love music paper. I don't play the piano, but I love sheet music. Absolutely love sheet music. And I found a stack of books full of sheet music. So I am so excited about it. It's really sturdy paper, so it's nice and thick paper, so I can do so many things with this. I can make some pockets out of this easy. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I mean, just if you are into mixed media or paper crafts, you know you can do so much with this. And I just truly believe to give things a new life, give them a new home. Instead of throwing things away, donate them. See if somebody else wants them. Don't throw them away. Let them live their life somewhere else where they will still be enjoyed. So anyway, enough of that spill. I found these, and because I had went on the last day, I bought these for $1 each. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of them. So most of them, let's see, 4 of them are the same. They just got this red cover, which I can even use the cover. Nothing gets thrown away here. I get teased a lot that I save everything, but to me it's not hoarding, it's reusing. I mean, why not use it? Don't throw it away. Give it life. Give it another life, right? Okay, I think I'm getting carried away. Anyway, it's got this beautiful cover that I can still use in my projects. I absolutely love it. I can use it and make another book out of it. But there are 4 of these for $1 each. And then the other 2 are the Symphonies of Brahms and, yeah, I'm going to totally butcher that name. Let me just zoom in closer. That person. And then this one is the Symphonies of Haydn, Schubert, and Mozart in score. So these books are old. They are from 1935. And another thing that I love about them is the person that owned them has a lot of their notes in there. So I love other people's penmanship. I love the history behind the notes. I mean, this was special. This was very special to them, and it's special to me. So I'm so glad that there's that little bit in there. And what I like about this is it's smaller pieces. So it's broken down. It's big sheets, but it's in like divided in 4s. So there's so many amazing things that can be done with this, and it's just in such good condition. Such good condition. So, and this is 1935. I don't know if I said that already, but I got 2 of these. So this one is the same, and I mean some of the marks on these. I don't read music. I know the basics, but I mean it's different, but it's absolutely beautiful. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's Thrifty Find video. As always, don't throw away, give it away, or donate, because one person's trash is another person's treasure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We will talk to you guys very soon. Happy crafting!